Hey guys! Today we are at the Nature Center at Shaker Lakes photographing a wedding, and we want to show you a little behind the scenes. Thank you! Ooh. Dare me to go in? Good thing I didn't change yet. Oh, hello. Oh.
Corns. Looks like corn.
It's corn. Aw, Happy and Tripod. These are good photographer turtles. What's over there?
Bugs. Oh, look at that giant hornet. Ooh. Yes.
Action, action. We want action. ACT. So she just told us they're going to open up these doors, and so they'll be outside on the patio overlooking these trees too.
Really?
With these tall tables out there. I can't wait! Time to get changed. Look how cute Andy looks. It's his first time wearing these pants and I'm enjoying it. We got ready at the Nature Center and now we're at the getting ready location. This little neighborhood is so cute. These boys are playing flag football in the street. And the house is that white one over there. Here we go. It's award time! So our first award is Best Getting Ready Spot. It was in this beautiful house and there was great lighting in like every room and with beautiful backgrounds.
Oh. Thank you.
Excuse us. You ready for number? Oh, thank you. Our food came!
Number 2 is most fun dance. I didn't choreograph it.
But you could tell they were in love and enjoyed themselves.
It was adorable. Number 3 was most unique food. My favorite thing that I saw was maple tofu with vegetables, and that might not sound amazing, but it was amazing.
Quattro, most minimalist. They had a lot of less traditional stuff and reusable plates, and just not a lot of like fluffy stuff. They kept it simple, which is awesome.
They aimed to do that, to make less waste. I say cheers to another beautiful wedding, huh? We're even hanging out with the bride and groom at Barrios. Also, there's Andy down there working on a video. And also a sneak peek that we're totally going to be renovating our house when wedding season dies down. You know, we bought the house in the middle of wedding season, and we're really excited about the renovations to come. As for now, it's definitely authentic 70s. So this is the part where it's usually really fun, a big treasure hunt to find all the pictures, and it truly is tonight. We have so many awesome pictures, but to be honest, it's been a huge disappointment for me too. This little card right here failed us tonight. It says it was corrupt. That's a reason why you have 2 photographers. We both got amazing pictures. Andy got so many good ceremony pictures from so many different angles. Thank goodness. I was really excited about mine, but we won't be having them. And it has inspired us to go to the next level and have 2 cards in our cameras now, and to not buy that brand anymore. So just thought I'd be transparent and show what's really going on here. So today is wedding photo editing day and Airbnb cleaning day. This little note, look how sweet. I love when guests leave us notes. Is my work. And I thought of this new idea I'm so excited about. So for our brides and grooms, I want to put their flash drive that we send them with their photos on it, I want to knit them like a little baggie to put it in that's in their wedding colors. So I'm gonna head to the craft store today and get knitting. So I hear this knocking and I thought Andy was stuck outside. He needed to be let in. Turns out he just wanted to talk to me. He's on the roof. What's new? Hey, roof boy.
Hey.
We can hang out together, huh?
Yeah.
So what exactly are you doing on that roof, hon?
I'm putting on a coating that keeps the granulars on the asphalt roof from coming off. It adds like about a 5-year extension to your roof. It helps with leaks and that type of stuff too.
I'm eating with my roofer. He says he's not hungry yet, working boy. With that is another wedding in the books. Hey you! Thanks for making it to the end of our video. If you're in the mood for another wedding, you might want to cozy up and check out this one too.